Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to allow everyone to post on your Facebook page using the latest update on PC. If you want your page to be more interactive and let others share content directly, this is exactly what you need. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, find and click on Settings and Privacy. When the menu expands, select Settings to access your account and page controls. Now, inside the Settings area, look for the section called Page and Tagging. This is where Facebook lets you manage who can interact with your page and how content appears. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Who Can Post on Your Page. Click on it, and you'll see different choices. To allow everyone to post on your page, simply select Everyone. This means any Facebook user can share posts directly on your page timeline, helping boost engagement and community interaction. After selecting Everyone, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Without saving, your settings won't be updated, and that's it. Your page is now open for public posts, making it easier for followers and visitors to connect, share, and engage with your content. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this to get the most out of your social media experience.